Minister of Finance and Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark, says the government has reached the threshold of central bank digital currency CBDC wallets that are eligible for the $2,500 initiative. In March, the minister announced that the first 100,000 Jamaicans establishing wallets after April 1 would receive the digital deposit from the government. The incentive was to encourage persons to use the CBDC, dubbed Jamaica Digital Exchange (JAMDEX), as an option to conduct transactions. Minister Clark provided the update while responding to questions posed by Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Southern Fitz Jackson in the House of Representatives on June 28.
There's a lot more to do. We have to make sure merchants are signed up in communities, not we, the private sector institutions involved, and to make its use widespread. You'll have seen in news reports that 3 more banks have signaled their intentions to offer CBDC accounts, and eventually we will be, you'll be able to buy me a lunch money, buy me something with your transferring it from the phone. So the next phase is for merchants to be signed up. That's the key phase, right? To make sure merchants across in the communities who sell all manner of goods, and then it begins to take off and have more banks take it up. And that is a no-fee account. With respect to the second policy approach or innovation was to incentivize or to have take-up of this low-risk KYC account. While it is available, we need customers to be aware of it and to request it. So when you come across persons for whom this account is suitable, who may be complaining about the fees from regular accounts, you can say to them, look, open one of these low due diligence accounts. Right? The upside is that there are no banking fees. The downside is that the amount is capped. I believe the cap is today $250,000.